Hi everyone! Today we have a new toy that just came in, and it is the Peppa Pig Medic Case. Peppa Pig is dressed as a nurse, and we have some friends that joined us. We have Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, Rebecca Rabbit, George, and Peppa. So let's open this nurse's case and see what's inside. Okay, so here's the Peppa Pig Medic Case up close, and she has a white hat on with a green cross to show that she is a hospital worker. So let's open this up. There's a little clip on the side that opens it. Wow, lots of stuff in here. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's go through all the tools that are inside of this medical kit. We have a pink pair of medical scissors. We have a pink Band-Aid. A green medicine bottle. It's got a picture of Peppa and a teddy bear. And it actually opens up. No medicine in there, but we can pretend. It comes with a needle for shots or giving medicine. It comes with an ear, nose, and throat light. This is to check inside of our ears, nose, and throat to make sure everything is okay. Next, we have a green thermometer. If you can see, it's got all the temperatures there. That's to take our temperature and see if we have a fever. Next, we have a mirror, and this is for checking in our mouth to see if there's anything that needs to be looked at. There's also a pair of pink tweezers. And last but not least, the most important medical tool, we have a stethoscope. It's got a green base here. It's got a picture of Peppa. These are the two pieces that we put in our ears so we can hear our heart. Let's check out Peppa and her friends. Look who showed up. We have Peppa Pig, Rebecca Rabbit, and George. So let's see if we need to give them a checkup. The first thing we need to do is see if they have a fever and whether they have a good temperature. Do you guys know what tool we should use? You're right. We need to use the thermometer. Okay, Miss Peppa, let's take your temperature and see what it is. Beep, beep. Okay, it's done. And it looks like Peppa has a perfect temperature, no fever at all. Okay, so now George has been complaining of an earache lately. Do you guys know what tool we should use to check George's ears to see if there's anything inside? You guessed it, we need to use the ear, mouth, or nose light. So let's check George. Okay, Georgie, let me look in your ear. Do you guys see anything? Actually, you know what? I do see something in there. It looks like George may have a little ear infection. Oh no, George has an ear infection. What should we do? Does anybody know what we do when we have boo-boos or ear infections? We need to take some medicine. And here's a Peppa Pig medicine bottle. So I think we need to give these to George. Here, George, here's some medicine for you. There are 7 little medicine pills for you to take. Take one every day of the week. How many days of the week are there, guys? Peppa, how many days? There are 7 days in the week. That's right. So there are 7 medicine pills for you to take, George. And at the end of the week, your ear infection will be better. Let's make sure we have enough. There are the medicines. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, Georgie, so here are your 7 pills, and by the end of the week, you'll be feeling much better. Thank you. No problem. Next up to see the doctor is Rebecca Rabbit. And Rebecca Rabbit needs something that needs to be done in order for her to go to school this year. Do you guys know what she needs? She needs a little shot in her arm so she can go to school and get all of her vaccines. Let's give her a little shot. That didn't hurt, right? Nope, didn't hurt too much. Okay, so now that we just gave Rebecca Rabbit a shot, I think she needs a little band-aid to cover up her boo-boo. So I have some pink Play-Doh here, and let's make her a band-aid out of Play-Doh. It's a pretty band-aid because this is sparkly pink Play-Doh. Okay. Okay, so here's our little band-aid, and let's put it on Rebecca Rabbit's arm. Okay, Rebecca, no worries. We have your little band-aid right here. Let's wrap it around your boo-boo so that it feels better. There we go. You can take it off in a little while. Look, everybody, it's Mommy Pig. Mommy Pig showed up to visit Peppa and her friends at the doctor, and she also is a nurse. Did anybody know that? It's Nurse Mommy Pig. Let's put her in a nice nurse outfit made from Play-Doh. Let's make it now. Okay, so I have some white Play-Doh here to make Mommy Pig's nurse costume. So let's get to it. You just roll it out. Maybe we can use this Play-Doh top to make it nice and smooth. I can take my Play-Doh knife here, and I'm just going to make a cut at the top and a cut here at the bottom. Okay, so now we have a piece that looks just like this. Okay, here's Mommy Pig. Let's try her nurse's jacket on to see if it will fit. So we can wrap it just like this around one arm and around the other. And you can just go like this to keep it on. Whoop! Good thing it's Play-Doh, we can just work with it and move it around. And there you go. Mommy Pig has her white nurse's jacket on. Okay guys, so as you can see, I made Mommy Pig her nurse's uniform, and it has the little green cross just like it does on the Peppa Pig Medic Case. Do you see? They are matching. Mommy Pig has her nurse's hat and nurse's gown and is ready to work at the hospital. Hey Mommy, I like your nurse's costume. Can I have one? Okay, Peppa. I'll make a costume for you as well. Yay! Okay guys, so I hope you had fun and enjoyed watching this video of the Peppa Pig Medic Case, and I hope you enjoyed watching Mommy Pig and Peppa get their nursing costumes on. They were so cute. So thank you for tuning in to Bubblegum Kids TV, and if you like this video, we're going to have so many more Peppa Pig videos to come. You can click this green subscribe button right here where my finger is. Have a nice day. Bye!